Most traders stay stuck forever, making peanuts because they do not know how to scale their trading. But don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to teach you exactly the step-by-step protocol that will allow you to make $10,000 per month using prop firms. This exact trading scaling plan allowed me to get to where I'm at today. I've been making consistently 2 to 3K per day, and I've helped a lot of my students to scale their trading to 10K, 20K, and obviously, because of that, it's time for me to reveal it to you. I thought that I would never share this information publicly, but it's time to stop gatekeeping. Let's scale your trading. Let's go. So man, scaling your trading to $10,000 profit, by the way. It takes 3 steps. Stage number 1, stage number 2, stage number 3. In stage number 1, you're going to make around $0 pretty much. Stage number 2, you're going to make 3K to 5K with trading per month, right? And stage number 3, you're going to make 10K to 30K per month consistently, right? Now, the thing is, you cannot be skipping around because these stages are strategically put together in a way that you have to go through them step by step, and you're going to understand very soon why. So let's put the ego down. You're not going to make money yet. You have to first build the strong roots. And by strong roots, I mean you're going to learn a trading strategy. I have plenty of videos on my YouTube channel. I have a free course in the description as well. And you have to find the mindset. Okay, most people get into trading thinking that this is a side hustle where you can just make some money, have fun, etc. No, I hate to break it to you, but this is not a side hustle. This is a full mission. This is the main piece. This is what you're going to be focused on only, okay? If you actually want to make it with this one. And also in stage number 1, you're going to be demo trading using simulated money, meaning that it's not real money. You're going to just be practicing the strategy that you've learned. Right. After you have learned a system, meaning that you have learned the strategy, you have a mindset, and you have practiced with a demo account, you do need some money, right, to invest to those prop firms to actually make more money. So you need to get a job. This is going to hurt a lot of you guys, but most of the people in this world have a fragile ego when it comes to business. They think that, oh, job is not for me, job is not for me. But I was also working my ass off, flipping burgers for $9 an hour to trying to grow capital to my trading. So get a job. This also helps with your psychology, your mindset, because you're not only relying on trading to make money. So you have a peace of mind, okay? And you have money to buy prop firms. Now you have some money coming in from the job. Okay, you're gonna then buy yourself one, not 20, one prop firm account, specifically 50K account. These go around for $50 per month. You can buy this with ease now that you have the job. But one, only one. Why? Because this is also to allow you to master the psychology of trading, because now you're actually risking something. So you're gonna feel the psychological effects of trading, and you're gonna also practice the strategy, become more disciplined in the markets, and you're gonna put more hours in the markets, okay? That's also good for that. So this is an investment to your future, right? Now, don't rush it. Remember that you have to learn. Most people buy a prop firm account. They have a huge ego. They just try to get that huge payout, full port, and their emotions get in their way. Remember, learn. Keep the job. Now listen, if you blow the account, don't buy yourself another account immediately, because you have to first analyze and understand what did you do wrong to lose the account. Okay, this is what most people do wrong. Most people just actually immediately buy another one thinking that they're going to make so much money. Analyze, learn, and take notes. And listen, you're going to rinse and repeat until you get your first payout, and keep the job. You're not going to make millions yet. Okay, just keep the job and continue. Right. Congratulations, you've gotten your first payout, and it's time to level up to stage number 2. It's time to get some money, baby. Now in stage number 2, this is where the actual scaling starts. You're gonna reinvest your profits, meaning that you're gonna put money into education, whether is it a mentor, you're gonna buy a mentorship, courses, okay? You need more education so you can scale more, make more money, and succeed. And then you're gonna reinvest to more funded accounts using a copy trader. A copy trading, I don't mean like you're gonna sign into a single group and copy the trades. No, I mean that you're gonna actually stack the prop firm accounts using a copy trader, and then when you make $1,000 on one account, it's gonna automatically copy that trade to the other stacked accounts. So instead of you making 1K, you're gonna make 5K, 10K, etc., right? Because it's gonna stack, right? Okay, and when you invest into education and more fundeds, you're gonna have more knowledge, more fundeds, aka more money, right? Okay, at this stage, now that you've reinvested, you're making around 3 to 5K per month. You're gonna have to put the ego down. I've said the word ego many times in this video, but it's like, you're gonna understand this, okay? You cannot go crazy with the money. Don't blow the money. Don't do no stupid shit, because this video is specifically for people who want to actually succeed and scale their trading. So now you're rinsing and repeating the freaking copy trading accounts. You're making good money. What you're gonna do, you're gonna reinvest again. Reinvest 20 to 40% of the payouts. So that's pretty good money at this stage, because you've already gotten a lot of payouts with the copy trader. You're making 3 to 5K per month. What you're gonna reinvest to is education and more fund accounts, and rest you save. This is the same in reinvesting plan as before, but with more money. You have more breathing room because you have saved more money. You have so much knowledge, and you are making good money from the funders because you are stacking, reinvesting. This is where most people don't do this, because they want to just blow the money, buy something crazy. But we want to actually turn this into a full-time career. Now it's time to move to the stage number 3. And at this stage, you are making 10K to 30K per month. Now, since I want to be as transparent as possible, I want to bring you this decision thing, because this is what I had to go through. At this point, I've already quit the job, right? I quit the job. I say, bye-bye, boss. So you have a decision to make. Do you want to become a full-time funded trader, meaning that you're going to rinse and repeat the same process, continue with the funded accounts? Or do you want to become a full-time live trader, meaning that you're going to manage your own capital, your own money? This is the route that I chose, and I do not regret at all, because personally, I think funded accounts are amazing, okay, when you want to scale and grow, like from bottom. I'm not the biggest fan of actually full-time trading that, because there's always the rules. You can just get into a small losing streak and lose all of the stacked accounts, and it's like not sustainable as the live trading account that I'm doing right now. But I know a lot of people who are trading only with funded accounts, so you can choose, okay? But at this stage, you cannot be doing no stupid shit, because I mean, you're probably not going to, because if you made it this far, you have a good psychology, you have a good system, strategy, you believe in yourself, you have confidence, all that good stuff. But you are in a good stage. But listen, this whole process, this whole video that I just showed you, this is the scaling plan. It's going to take time, okay? And the hardest part is becoming profitable. And then you have to know how to scale it. For most people, it takes years because they lack guidance. And most people quit along the way. It is unfortunate because it's a whole process. But since you made it this far, I have a gift for you. I give you an opportunity to apply for my private mentorship, where literally you don't have to worry about anything. You have to put the work in though. And it's not like I'm just going to give you some advices. I'm going to actually see where you're at. I'm going to see at what stage are you in your trading. And then we're going to scale from there, build those strong roots, etc. Okay, there's coaching, one-on-one coaching, live trading, group coaching, libraries, like full-on courses, all that good stuff. So if you're serious, make sure to book a free call. This is my gift for you guys, okay? Normally, I don't accept any of the free calls, but if you want to, this is my gift for you. Book a free call from the first link in the description, all right? I believe in you, bro. Continue. You're going to see lots of success, all right? As usual, I'll see you on the other side. Peace out.